Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. Cheers. So you joined me from my dining room slash living room. We're all decked out, ready for the holidays, so I hope your holidays are off to a great start. I wouldn't start this video off like that if this video wasn't about gifts, or yeah, I guess it's about gifts in general. If you guys are like me, as a car enthusiast, you love all things automotive, motorcycles, boats, all that kind of stuff, and down to the little things like diecast models. One of my favorite things to do is go on eBay and check out the Tomica, Hot Wheels, all that stuff. I used to have like a wall of Hot Wheels in the office. I've since moved on from the Hot Wheels and found the Tomica stuff, and I've got them just littered all over my desk. All sorts of cars that I want to own, can't afford, but want to have at some point. So it's like the little way you can buy your dream cars in a little 1/64th scale, and they're really fun. And all my friends know that I love all the Hot Wheels and diecast and things like that. And I'm sure some of you guys have your own little collections at home. So in this video, we're doing something a little different. This isn't going to take over like our main videos that come on like Sundays. This Wednesday's video is a little late. I don't have really much to do on the golf. I just ordered a bunch of stuff for it. Should be in the mail soon, so we'll have golf videos coming up. But I wanted to throw in a little bit of a twist on a project for this channel. And going back to the diecast stuff, we are going to be building a very special model. So right here, I have a Mazdaspeed Roadster 2006 model by Fujimi, and it is a NC1 Mazdaspeed Miata, or Roadster, or MX-5. This is from Japan. My friend, Zach SadZebraHead, if you guys, you might have seen him in a video a long time ago, but he has been like my longest friend since we moved to Texas. And he went all out, and there's much more to this little box than just I'm showing you right now. So this is a Mazdaspeed Edition Miata NC. You guys probably know it has the Mazdaspeed front bumper, it's got a Mazdaspeed rear bumper, Mazdaspeed side skirts, and it has the Mazdaspeed Special Edition wheels. And we're gonna open this up. I'm gonna show you guys all the parts. We're not starting the build in this video. I just wanted to introduce it to you because I'm very, very excited. He was hyping this up for the longest time, and I have to say, Zach, if you're watching, which I'm sure you are, thank you again. This is super awesome. I'm really excited to have this. It is 124, it's either 124 or 121 scale, 124 scale, so it's 124. So we will get to opening this here in a second, but I will show you what also is coming with it. When Zach SadZebraHead got this kit for me, he got it with the intention of, you know, everything we do on our channel, everything is custom. Everything is customizable. Everything is personalized to be how you would want it. And since this is like a very realistic model, he got me the closest matching red to the copper red mica, and this is color TS18. It's metallic red, so it's probably going to be missing that copper portion of it, but big kudos for going out of your way and finding this. So this is also, you know, for model cars, things like that. So if you're catching on to this now, we are going to be building this car, this model car, in the same spec and, you know, all the features of my actual NC2 Miata. He also included a little bottle of the black. This is XF1 flat black. A lot of things on my car are flat black. So we've got these two paints right here as well. And also included in this gift is a set of Nissan R33 Skyline GTR wheels. He knew I had the RPF1 wheels, so that's why he bought the black paint, because I have black. These were the closest thing that he could find to a set of RPF1s. I mean, they're 5-spoke with the dual little spokes within each set on the wheel. This is probably the closest thing that we're gonna get to, but I mean, really cool. It's also a Fujimi brand that they have these sort of things. So we're gonna be able to add a custom set of wheels to our NC Miata model. You guys probably think I was done with the accessories. I'm not. He really blew me away with what he's gotten for this. I mean, I'll show you guys in a second once I find the bag, but it comes with, you know, front and back seat shells with the seat bottoms. It comes with all the glass, mirrors, blinkers, everything. It even has a textured top that will paint to match the rag top. You don't have to put it on if you don't want to, I guess. I was absolutely amazed by this kit. The things that it comes with, I mean, brake rotors, it comes with the control arms, subframe. It even has the OEM braces that go on the bottom. It even comes with a differential, like a really nice, accurate portrayal of a differential. Transmission, it has the splash guards underneath and everything. And then it comes pre-painted silver with the body panels. It has the gauge hood. It has the steering shell with blinkers on it. I mean, roll bar hoops, mirrors. It's like, it's so accurate. And then it obviously comes with this, you know, main shell of the like underbody, which includes, I mean, it's got brake lines on it. Looking at it just absolutely amazed me on how realistic it was. And then it has the little tub, the passenger and driver tub with a accurate center console, door cards. It's everything. It's literally everything. It's got the air box for the engine. So this is a very, very detailed model kit. It's got the engine. It's got the front timing cover with the belts and everything on it. Obviously, you guys know about the Mazdaspeed bumpers. They're very hard to find. They're very special. This comes with it. And then the body itself, obviously, very, very nice quality stuff. I wouldn't have to paint it if I didn't want to, but this kit we're making it look exactly like my car. And when I say exact, it is pretty much going to be exact. So here's the body right there. Also comes with our tail lights and all of that, tail lights and headlights. It even includes the little striker plates on the back that go on the trunk. Dashboard, windshield wipers, it has the gas pedal, brake pedal, all of that. And then obviously, as you saw in the picture, the stock, not stock, but the Mazdaspeed wheels. We've also got a set of decals, which is great, just adds to the realism. One thing I found really cool about this kit is it includes 2 dashes, and you can do a right-hand drive or left-hand drive kit if you wanted to. And it even has the different windshield wiper spots for it. So super accurate depending on where you are in the world, depending on how you want to build your kit. And then it also comes with a set of really nice tires. All right, and I'm just gonna open this box because this is where we are getting into the special part. These are the wheels, the R33 wheels that are going to act as RPF1 wheels. Really nice, we'll paint those black. But the part where it's like the icing, the cherry on top, is he went out of his way to scan my car and have someone design 3D printed parts that I have on the car. So we've got a singular hood vent right there, which is insane. They should match the 1/24 scale perfectly. Here's the other one. It's really crazy. Blew me away. He's even got the little gusset on the front of the hood vent. Really crazy. So these are all like custom 3D printed, and he's also included a little set of side splitters to go on the side skirt. So like these will go basically right here, which is really, really cool. Actually, no, this is not that. These are the side splitters. So he had to go through a couple iterations to get these perfect. So we'll have the side splitters that are on my car to go on the car. He also made me a OEM appearance package lip. So that will fit on the front of the bumper. It'll be, you know, a little challenging. We're gonna have to definitely do some work because 3D printed stuff is never exact, but we're gonna have to carve some of this stuff out, but it will fit on our bumper. So it's my front lip. he even made a set of fender flares to put on the rear of the car that are close to the rally backer flares. So we'll have those on there as well. It's absolutely insane. I'm totally overwhelmed. There's a lot of pieces. It's been a long time since I've done a model car, and especially I've never done one to this scale. All this stuff is super insane. So we are going to be taking our Mazdaspeed NC1 Miata with the Mazdaspeed bumpers and everything like that, putting a custom set of wheels on it, custom spray painting the car to match as closely as possible to the copper red, and painting our accent pieces black. Accent pieces being side splitters, OEM front lip, singular hood vents. The only thing that he couldn't get done was the fender vents because they were just way too small. So it's all insane. Let me know what you guys think about the scheduling of these videos. I definitely want to shoot videos on it because we're all automotive enthusiasts, and I hope you guys are interested in this stuff, as interested as I am. We're gonna be taking our time on this sort of thing. I mean, I don't even know where to begin. It's overwhelming, the amount of bags and things like that. I mean, I've done plenty of Legos in my life, but this is just to a totally different scale. We're gonna have to put the engine together, you know, the underside of the car, the interior, all that stuff. So I'm gonna mix all of this build content in with our normal stuff on the channel. So get ready for maybe like one extra video a week, but I think I'm gonna make it like relaxing, ASMR type stuff, you know, no talking, just building, so you guys can get a good grasp of how we're doing this. I'm gonna need to get like a macro lens so you guys can see the detail on this sort of thing. It's really, really detailed, and I'm sure you've seen the shots that I've thrown in with this video commentary of the up close stuff, but while I'm building, I'm gonna definitely need to get some sort of macro lens or something like that. And before everyone starts leaving comments, if you've made it this far into the video, he had to search far and wide for this. I don't have a link. I don't know where he got it from. He bought it secondhand, or I guess like new old stock from someone on a Facebook group. So I don't know where you can get it. I looked online and found some on websites, but he said that he also found them on those websites and they were all back ordered. So good luck if you try to find it and if you can find it. So in the coming weeks, we are going to be chipping away at this slowly, working on it. I wanna do my absolute best work that I can on it, take my time. I need to go get glue, paint brushes, and all sorts of things like that. So yeah. This is the new build for the channel. We are going to be customizing a Mazdaspeed NC1 to make it look as closely as possible to my NC2. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you're kind of excited. I'm super excited. So I'm really gonna enjoy making these videos outside of our normal car stuff. It's gonna be really cool for the channel. And if you're excited, be sure you go down below and leave a comment. And follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be posting a lot of behind the scenes stuff. There will also be stuff posted on Patreon for this car, for the other two cars. If you're not on the Patreon, go check it out. There's a link in the description. No pressure, but if you want to help support the channel, you can do that as well. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you got a good grasp of this video on what we're gonna be doing in the new video series that's coming out. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.